ENDA is a microfinance association working in Tunisia for the last 25 years. We began microfinance 20 years ago in 1995. Today we support 250,000 Tunisian micro-entrepreneurs who have a current loan with us. And in terms of youth, we have about 1/3 which are 35 years or less. So that's to situate us. Our portfolio, the money being lent to these people, is about 90 million euros, and we are completely self-sufficient because we are refinanced by loans from Tunisian banks and 10 Tunisian banks and 9 international financial partners. And so we don't cost anything to to the government or to whoever. We've got a few subsidies, but they're not subsidies which we need to operate with. The challenge right now is finding enough money, because we have very substantial demand for our products from 78 branches throughout Tunisia, and we haven't got enough money to satisfy that demand. And I guess that's the biggest challenge, because in terms of repayment, about 98%, in terms of relations with the clients and so on, there are no problems. But the problems are in terms of finding enough funding to satisfy all the needs of the people. And as unemployment has increased in Tunisia, the number of people seeking to set up a micro-enterprise has increased somewhat. And so it's estimated about 1.2, 1.5 million people who need a micro loan, and we satisfied 250,000, maybe others another 100,000. So there's a long way to go. There's a big market out there, and a lot of money needed to fund them. Just one final thing perhaps about youth startups. Normally in microfinance, the microfinance supports existing micro-enterprises. We've created a new product after the revolution called Bidaya, and this is aimed at encouraging mainly young people, mainly out of work young people, to create their own job through a micro-enterprise. And this has worked well. We've given in the last 2.5 years about 5,000 loans to these people. We have a very good repayment rate. Only 700 have dropped out, which is about 15%. It's very low for startups, and we're expecting to expand throughout the next period. We will keep the loan. This project will remain, and after a maximum of 2 Bidaya loans, the people move on to the general program, because Bidaya is subsidized to some extent.